Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have it's an open sign, an LED open sign, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Sorry, I had to rip it open. So this is going to be the concept of it, LED neon sign. Comes with a chain to hang it by, and this is the sign here. So let's show you guys what it is and how it works. So this is what it looks like there. Comes with a little USB plug. Let me turn on my USB. There we go. So I can plug it in. Okay, so I am plugged in. It has a plastic film over it. On that side and plastic on this side. Now look, it's crystal clear. And I have my buttons over here. So let's see what happens when I push the button. Look at that, how cool is that? Whoa, look how bright that is. Super cool. Nice and bright and looks good. Very cool, nice sign. And then you got the dimmer here and off and on. It looks like when you turn it back on again, it goes to the brightness that it had before. And it looks like it's got these two little hooks here, which would be for that chain, which I put in my lap. I'll show you guys that here. So then we can hang it instead of, you know, we could glue it to the wall or something, I guess, but then we also have this chain. So let's see how that is. Decent sized chain. So we can, really get this in here. There's that side. There's that side, so it can be hung up anywhere you want. And you can have an open sign. How cool is that? And there, the wire's a little tied up, but there we go. We are open for business. Thumbs up, very cool. Nice sign, I like it.